I'm gonna just jump right in, and I am dyeing my wig blue. I'm first using the Adore Sky Blue dye. I actually use 3 bottles of this, and then I'm using the Kiss in the color gray. I'm pretty sure everything will be linked down below, but I use 2 bottles of that. And right now I'm just using the watercolor method. To the watercolor method, it's really important to make sure the water is boiling hot. I actually boiled some water and then I put it in this plastic bin. I use a rat tail comb to mix all the dyes together, and this is not all the bottles used at once. I actually end up building it on once I figured out the color I wanted. Right now, I'm just testing a strand to make sure that this is the color I want. I just don't want to dip this wig in and be like, what? But I end up putting more sky blue because I noticed it was kind of more of a pastel color, and that just wasn't like what I was looking for. And so now I'm just like, looking a little bit. The water was extremely hot, so I was trying not to touch it and almost burned the glove with my hand. I was like, oh no, sweetie, like that's not what we're trying to do here. But yeah, right now I'm just mixing around with the comb, seeing what I like. I actually let this sit for about maybe 6-8 minutes. Like, I didn't want this to be too blue. I knew exactly like what color I wanted to go for. And just in case, everybody, if you're doing this, if you want it bluer, add more sky blue dye. And if you want it more of a gray tone, add more grays, and so on. Now that I've achieved the color that I wanted, I'm just going to take this out and, wash it up, girl. And now we have transitioned, and we are here now. I am honestly living for this blue color. I did not expect it to look this good, sis. I did not expect this. Oh, to mention, the hair that I'm using right now is from Wow Ebony. I got the wig in 613, and it already comes pre-made. It has a band within it. It has 3 combs, but I ended up taking out the combs because it was just bothering me in my lace front. And it also came pre-plucked, sis. Pre-plucked. That just means so much because I just did not feel like doing all of that. But I tweezed it a little bit, but if you're interested in buying this wig, I would say you don't have to tweeze a lot, because if you do, you'll have some bald spots, and sis, that's not what we're here for. We're not here for bald spots. So now it's the next day, and literally, I don't know how I look so alive, but it was like a good 8 a.m. and I wore this hair for Pride, so since I was beaten up, I was tired, slumped, gone. But do y'all not see this lace action? Like, actually, I can't even see the lace. Man, what lace? Is I'm gonna need to get like a magnifying glass or something, like. But I decided that I wanted to do some curls in my head because I was like, this little look here, I'm trying to give you a hot girl summer, hot girl all summer, you know, only baddie stuff. But, you know, just enjoy this little video of me putting my hair in curlers and looking like an auntie. So yeah.
I got the pack on me, yeah, good gag, got a nose up, Louis Bell, yeah.